attempts.
There's the
armbar. Here comes a belly down armbar attempt.
Ow.
Bobby Joe DL flips over, thumbing out, and there's the tap. Kayla Harrison, first round armbar submission. Cooper caught another kick there, goes to work on the inside. Big shot by Ray Cooper to the ground and pound. Sada Musi in trouble after being dropped. Elevates and drops Curtis to his back. And a striking exchange. Knockout victory! Down goes the action man! 40 seconds remaining. Right hand, hook, uppercut, left hook. Michaud pouring it on late.
This is what I love about fighting. When guys want to lay it all on the line.
He smelled blood in the water and he got after it.
See that blood come out of Sarah Kaufman's nose. That's gonna make it hard to breathe. And when it gets hard to breathe,
nice counter by Sarah Kaufman.
Beautiful.
And a date in the championship on New Year's Eve. It'll be a rematch between Kayla Harrison and Larissa Pacheco.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner and advancing to the 2019 PFL World Championship,